Welcome to another video. This is Attorney Elmer Lucero. Ngayon naman, i-discuss natin yung issue ng paglipat ng kaso ni Mayor Alice Go from Capas Tarlac to Valenzuela City. No? Ano yung naging dahilan or naging basihan sa pag-transfer ng kaso from Tarlac to Valenzuela? Panoorin natin yung video from Inquirer.net YouTube channel and then magkomento tayo along the way. Simulan natin.
The graft case of dismissed Mamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Go was transferred from the Capas Tarlac Regional Trial Court to the Valenzuela City RTC according to the Capas Court's order. Based on the order issued by Capas Tarlac RTC Branch 109 on September 12, Go's case was transferred as the town has no jurisdiction over the ex-mayor's case. The document cited Section 2 of Republic Act No. 10660 or an act strengthening further the functional and structural organization of the Sandigan Bayan as the reason for the case transfer. It explained that government officials classified as having a salary grade of 27 and above cannot be filed with a case under the jurisdiction where they held a post. This covers city mayors, vice mayors, and other city department heads, among others. The court also ordered the cancellation of Go's arraignment and pre-trial on September 13 for her graft case due to lack of jurisdiction. In an interview with reporters, Senator Francis Tolentino said there will be a raffle on Go's case at the Valenzuela RTC to determine the judge and branch that will handle the case. According to the senator, the Valenzuela City RTC is the nearest court where Go's case can be transferred. He added that the court in Nueva Vizcaya is not viable as it is too far from her current detention center in Quezon City. The Tarlac court earlier issued an arrest warrant for Go on 2 counts of graft. The case against Go stemmed from a complaint filed by the Department of Interior and Local Government in the Office of the Ombudsman for her alleged involvement in the illegal Philippine offshore gaming operator hub in her town.
Okay. So, as a rule, kapag nakakommit ng crime, especially ng violation of the Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, ay officials and employees of the government with salary grade 27 and above, kagaya ng vice mayor, mayor, department heads, okay, yung mga ganyan. Ang nagkakandak po ng preliminary investigation yan para for purposes of determining probable cause, the existence of probable cause, ay ang ombudsman. And after the conduct of preliminary investigation, kung mayroong nakitang probable cause, then pinapile po yung kaso, yung graft charge, sa Sandigan Bayan. Hindi po sa regular courts. Pero because of Republic Act number 10660, nagkaroon ng amendment yung jurisdiction na Sandigan Bayan. Although ang nagkandak ng preliminary investigation ay si Ombudsman, hindi ipinapile ni Ombudsman sa Sandigan Bayan yan because there is no allegation of damage to the government. And kung mayroong mang allegation of damage to the government, dapat yung damages amounts to or is less than to 1 million pesos. Kapag less than 1 million pesos yung damages na kiniklaim, ganun pa din, sa RTC pa din yan ipinafile. Yun po yung naging amendment sa jurisdiction ng Sandigan Bayan. Kaya in the case of Alice Go, although he is considered an official with salary grade 27 and up, dahil yung kanyang complaint or yung information, yung allegation sa kanyang information does not include damages to the government. Kaya ang mayroong jurisdiction ngayon ay Regional Trial Court. Pero dahil nga yung Regional Trial Court in Capas Tarlac is within the judicial region where Alice Go sits as a mayor, yung mga lugar kasi na kung saan si Mayor Alice Go ay nakaupo na malapit dun sa mga lugar na yon, ina-assume ng batas na mayroon siyang influence Kaya hindi pwedeng i-file sa Capas Tarlac yung kaso. Hindi rin pwedeng i-file sa malapit kagaya ng Pangasinan kasi mayroon din siyang ties in Pangasinan. Kaya yung pinakamalapit or yung pinaka-appropriate na venue ng kanyang kaso ay sa Valenzuela. Kaya doon po ipinail sa Valenzuela or doon na transfer sa Valenzuela yung kanyang kaso. Okay? So, sana po nalinawan tayo. No? Kita ulit tayo sa susunod kong upload. Maraming salamat.